Hey y'all, welcome to Inspiring Mealtime. Thank you for checking out this recipe video. Today I am going to be doing something similar to elote, which is like a corn dip. So if you'd like to see it come all together, keep on watching. Hello everybody, my name is LaTanya. Welcome to Inspiring Mealtime. So today I am participating in the Corn on the Cob challenge hosted by the Sister Circle. So I really don't make fresh corn that often. My kids tend to prefer either cream style corn or frozen corn. So this is going to be something fairly new and different for me. And so what I decided to do was to do like a corn dip. So I found a recipe for Elote Dip, and I'm gonna do my version of it, and hopefully it turns out good because I've never done it before. So if you like to see how this all turns out, keep on watching. Okay, so first off, what I'm going to do is I saw a really neat idea for a way to shuck corn really quickly, and so I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. So I have 5 ears of corn. So what they say is to pop it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes, and for each additional corn on the cob, add a minute. So I have 5, so I'm gonna do between 8 to 9 minutes, and it's supposed to cook the corn too. And for this recipe that I'm doing, I need it to be cooked. So initially I was thinking I was gonna have to shuck them, get all the little hairs and stuff off of it, boil it in the pot. So I'm thinking, how long is this gonna take? But this seems like this is gonna be so much quicker. I'm excited, okay? All right, so let's get ready to go to the microwave and see how well this technique works. Okay, so I'm over here by my microwave. I'm just gonna take all of these and put them inside the microwave. Now I am laying them all straight across like that. And I'm gonna do 8 minutes. Let's see how this works. Okay, so these cooked for 8 minutes, and I let them stay in the microwave for a few more minutes. So I'm about to get them out now. They should be fairly hot, so I'm gonna put my mitts on. All right, let's see if this works. This is supposed to be really easy to do, so let's see. All right, you're supposed to cut this end off. Oh my goodness. There's a few little pieces. That's hot. But I did it. Okay, so let's try to do that again. All right, so I'm cutting off the end of the corn, and then I'm squeezing the other end. So I'm just kind of rotating it and squeezing it and rotating it and squeezing it so that the corn will pop out of the bottom. Okay, so the next step is to remove the corn off of the cob. I am using a kernel cutter to remove the corn off of my corn on the cob. So the next step is to heat up the pan with some butter. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, and then add in your fresh corn. So we just want to cook the corn for about 10 minutes or so. Gonna stir it up every so often just so that it can brown and get caramelized. And once it's almost done, I'm going to go in and add in my chopped up garlic and my chopped up red onion. All right, so the next step is, after the corn is all browned up with the garlic and the red onions, then we're just going to transfer that all to a bowl. And we're going to start adding in our other ingredients. So first off, I'm going to be adding in my, this is Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise if you prefer. And then after that, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of lime juice. I didn't want to add too much. You can add more if you like. And then I'm adding in my seasonings. So I just have some garlic and herb seasoning, some salt and pepper, and then also some Chipotle Rub, just for a little bit of spice, a little bit of kick. And then I'm just mixing all that up. So after that, I'm adding in to this my goat cheese, and then I'm mixing that up really good too. All right, so at this point, I'm just gonna add in a little bit more seasonings to taste, salt, pepper, a little bit more Chipotle Rub, and that's it. This corn dip is ready to go and all done. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Like it? Want some more? That tastes good? Want some more? Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know if you try it out, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye y'all.